To install the Fit3x car seat with lower anchors in the rear-facing position, first, place the Fit3x in your vehicle seat in the rear-facing position. Make sure it is not blocking the vehicle seat belt buckle and that the base is flat on the vehicle seating surface. Then, squeeze the recline adjustment handle and pull forward to adjust to a reclined position. Check the bubble level indicator. Make sure the bubble is between the two lines for rear-facing installation. Readjust the recline as necessary. Make sure the overhang beyond the front edge of the vehicle seat does not exceed 3 inches. Confirm the anchor strap is positioned through the blue rear-facing belt path. Locate the lower anchor bars in your vehicle. Attach both connectors. While pushing down on the Fit3x seating surface, pull the lower anchor adjuster until both sides are tight and there is no more slack. Hold the Fit3x at the belt path and pull side to side and front to back. It should not move more than 1 inch from the vehicle seat back or side to side. Make sure the bubble is still between the two lines for rear-facing installation.